India Tourism Imphal, Ministry of Tourism, Government of India, Business Excellence Group have jointly observed the 5th International Day of Yoga under the theme Harmony and Peace at Langai. Chief Minister of Manipur N. Biren attended the International Day of Yoga function at Indoor Stadium Khuman Lampak along with hundreds of enthusiasts. He urged the public to embrace yoga as practicing yoga can enhance positivity, make healthy mindset and bring development and a peaceful life. The Chief Minister of Manipur N. Biren today inspected the ongoing work of rejuvenation and conservation of Nambul River. He stressed on the need to conserve main rivers of the state that pass through Imphal and Greater Imphal areas which are in a highly polluted state. Biren also said a cabinet review meeting will be held regarding the current overdraft issue and expressed hope that the RBI ban will be lifted soon. The All Manipur Students Union AMSU today organized Winning Our Struggle Scholarship 2019, an award distribution ceremony at the Library Hall of AMSU Headquarter Office, Imphal. Senior Lecturer, District Institute of Education and Training, DIET Imphal, DM College Campus, N. Dhanabanta, President of AMSU, Peter Lystrom, and Advisor Irengbam James Bon Mangang were the main guests of the occasion. Paradise Club Wangkai Imphal has celebrated its 65th Foundation Day today. Yai School Constituency MLA T.H. Satyabarta attended the function as the chief guest. World's oldest paramilitary force, the Assam Rifles, has organized a month-long yoga camp for the troopers in Tripura capital Agartala, aiming at not only keeping them physically fit but also mentally strong and stress-free. Rejecting speculations on the demand for a change in the Congress leadership in the state, All India Congress Committee General Secretary in charge North East State, Lujinho Farelo, said that he has not heard about any such demand being made either to the AICC or to him personally. Assam today joined the rest of the country in observing the International Day of Yoga, with State Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal participating in the state-level program at Sorasojai Stadium, Guwahati. Addressing the joint sitting of both houses of parliament, President Ramnath Kovind said a committee of chief ministers was being set up to look into structural reforms in the field of agriculture. With regards to drought-hit areas, Kovind said that the government was aware of the crisis and was assisting farmers and tackling drinking water shortages with the support of state governments and village sarpans. Appealing to people to take yoga to all sections of society, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said yoga is above everything, as he performed various asanas with around 40,000 enthusiasts at Prabhat Tara ground to mark the 5th International Day of Yoga. Modi also urged people to make yoga an integral part of life. The Trump administration is coping with an escalating crisis with Iran, a controversial deployment of troops to the US-Mexico border, the war in Afghanistan and stalled talks with North Korea over its nuclear program. Amid all that, Acting Defense Secretary Patrick Shanahan stepped down this week, and the man tapped to replace him on an interim basis appears to face legal hurdles that could limit him to serving only about 6 more weeks. The US State Department has released its 2019 Trafficking in Person report, highlighting the need for action against domestic trafficking in human beings. India continued to be placed in Tier 2 on the 1 to 3 country trafficking scale.